Hi bestie, welcome to my page. I have some happy mail and I'm going to do an unboxing. And if this is something that interests you, hopefully you stay until the end. Hi bestie, welcome to my page. This is an unboxing of my recent order with Louis Vuitton. In December, my client advisor has sent me an invite to do a pre-order, and it was right before my 50th birthday. I did not do a pre-order because it wasn't my intentions to get anything from this collection. But the launch day, guys, I went on the website and I said, well, let me see if I can get something that I can utilize in 2025. And this is what I ordered. So, can you guess what I ordered? So the launch day was on January 3rd, and I decided to go on the website, guys, to see, well, let me see if I can get this item that I got. And when I went to the website, I got all kinds of error messages. And I was like, what in the world is going on? And then I was like, well, should I have contacted my CA instead? But I said, you know what? Let me just see if I can get it. And if I can't get it, I'm fine with that. Well, as you can see, I was able to order it. And I had saw online how so many people had issues of getting different items. And I didn't want a handbag or a purse. I have plenty of those. But guys, I wanted this notebook, guys, because of course I have the magnetic pen, and I say, you know what, this will be absolutely perfect for that. And then I can use this notebook for my journal for 2025. And I'm excited that I was able to even get it. Consider the chaos for 2025. And when I was on the website, I was under the impression with the error messages that I did receive. I was thinking that I probably wouldn't be able to get the notebook. Now, is it a need? No, it's a collector's item. And I just wanted to print, and I was like, you know what? If I can get it, I can get it. I haven't treated myself with anything, and I'm not gonna say this is a treat, but it's something from the collection. Like I said, I wasn't interested in any of the purses, or I wasn't really interested in anything else in the collection. And I am pleased with this. And I do have different other notebooks. So let me get a notebook that I have close by with me so I can compare the size compared to this one. So I can say that the cover of this notebook is definitely different from the other notebooks that I do have. And I do have several notebooks, but for right now, I'm just gonna get the ones that's close by with me. So you can see this one. This one is what I'm using right now, or what I've been using in 2024. You can see the difference in the size in this one compared to this one. Now let me go get another one that's close by. Okay, so I found this here. Let me go see if I have my other one to see. I'm not sure if I had the other one close by. But I know I have a notebook in this one, and then I do have another case. Sorry guys, I'm trying to see if I have the other one so I can show you multiple notebooks to compare the size wise, and I don't have it close by, so we're just going to compare these three. So the Murakami is longer, and I'm looking forward to utilizing these. So I utilize my LV notebooks to jot down things, the journal, and later on my daughter and my granddaughter can look at them throughout the years to learn things about me and the family. So it's like a keepsake, and it's a memory for memories. But that's what I got, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing, and hopefully you enjoy. Have an awesome day.